Hello everyone. Today we will see that what is the phenomena of total internal reflection. Internal reflection भी हो रहा है और नाम internal भी आ रहा है, तो what is that? We know that when a ray is passing from one medium to another medium, what will happen? Refraction phenomena will take place. Here we will see that when a ray is passing from one medium to another medium, but now here refraction is not coming, here is reflection is coming. So first we will see what is the meaning of total internal reflection. So just try to understand, when a ray of light traveling in a denser medium is fall at the surface of rare media at an angle of incidence, okay, then the critical angle for the particular medium, the ray is totally reflected back into the denser media, and such phenomena is called total internal reflection. Just try to understand. Now I am explaining. Suppose here one object is kept here, so, and this is your denser media, and about this boundary line, now here rare media is there. So now if a ray is going normally, so it will not deviate at this surface, and refraction phenomena will take place, but refracted ray will also in normally. In this case, incident ray and refracted ray both are in the same direction and in the same line. Now here one more, I am taking incident ray, this O, this P, which is strike on point this P. If suppose medium is not changing here, so you know that light travels always in a straight line, so it will continue here dotted in this way. But now here medium is rarer, suppose here is glass, here is air, so then you know that normal in this portion you will consider, and now refracted ray will move away from your this normal. So refracted angle of refraction we are getting here, and here this is the I. Now if we increase slowly angle of incidence, so then we will get a situation ki slowly and slowly angle of refraction is also coming towards to this boundary line. At a particular situation we will get now refracted ray will not go in this rarer media, now it will travel on the boundary line. So such type angle of incidence is known as critical angle, you know very well. Now if we are taking angle of incidence this which is greater than this critical angle, so now what will happen, यहाँ angle of refraction 90 डिग्री बन रहा था, refracted ray यहाँ थी, बट नाउ अब रिफ्लेक्टेड रे उधर जानी नहीं है, नॉर्मल से और दूर हटनी है, तो इट मीन्स इट विल ट्रेवल इन दिस डायरेक्शन, इट विल ट्रेवल्स इन द सेम मीडिया, डेंसर मीडिया. So such type here incident ray and refracted ray both are again in the same this medium. So this is not known as your reflected ray, this refracted ray, it is known as reflected ray. And such type phenomena here, instead of refraction phenomena, here reflection is taking place, which is known as total internal reflection. So total internal reflection तभी आपको मिलेगा when ray travel from denser to rarer. Second condition, when angle of incidence is more than critical angle. And in this situation, when this TIR you will get, so then you will see that total intensity will conserve, total intensity वही रहेगी, उसमें कोई change नहीं आएगा. Then it will follow laws of reflection, that is I is equal to R, and incident ray, this reflected ray, normal, or these 3 points are in the same line. So this is about your total internal reflection. If you will see that reflection by a mirror and total internal reflection, so here it is a very good phenomena because no loss of energy, total and intensity is conserved. So now in place of there the so many mirrors, reflection phenomena by mirrors not taking, we are taking by this TIR. and here transmission is very easily. So in optical fiber, and there are the so many, you see that the instruments apparatus which is based on our total internal reflection. I hope so you understood. Thank you.